Very good morning. Welcome back to the Dr. Saurabh sir classes. In these classes, you will get a lot of solutions, uh, questions of the Olympiad examination. In this video series, you will get a solution of many types of the Olympiad examination at international level and national level. Now, in today's video series, we are going to discuss the question paper of Indian National Chemistry of Olympiad. INChO. Okay. Now, first we will read the question properly because in this exam, questions are lengthy and divided into the some sub questions. Okay. And we will try to solve the question on the basis of the concept. So first we will read the question. Determine the minimum concentration of the hydrogen, that is the proton required for separate M1 and M2 from M3 and M4 by passing hydrogen sulfide gas through the solution. In this question, a solution is present and mixture of solution, that is the M1, M2, M3 and M4. And they are asking about the concentration of the hydrogen ion required for the separation of M1 and M2 from the M3 and M4 and use of the passing the hydrogen sulfide gas in the solution. Assume that the precipitation is complete when the concentration of precipitate metal ion reduced to the 10 to the power 6 m and the saturated concentration of the hydrogen sulfide in water as well as the acidic solution of 3.8 grams per liter. Okay. Now 1 M1, M2, M3 and M4 are divalent in nature. Divalent in nature. There the valency is the double and show all steps of the calculations. In this question, we have to show the all steps of the calculation for H2S and the K value is the K1 acidic nature 1.0 10 to the power minus 7 K2 K2 is equal to 1.0 10 to the power minus 90. Okay. Now we will try to solve this question according to the concept and given values. So now, what is the principle of this? The requirement is in this question they are asking about the requirement the separate M1 by M2. Okay, and the M1 by M2, that is the low solubility product of sulfides. Low solubility product of the sulfide from M3 by M4. Okay, it is a high high solubility product. KSP value is the high for the sulfides. Okay, now by controlling pH, because of the in this reaction they are asking about the find the minimum amount of the H plus ions. H plus ion responsible for the pH value and the high H plus value, that means the pH value is the low, that is the more acidic. So on the basis of this concept, we can solve this question. By controlling, in this reaction, we have to control the pH concentration. Okay, pH value should be controlled. Huh? Now, what is the principle of this question? In this reaction, the concentration of the sulfide ion, the concentration of the sulfide ion H2 negative is controlled is controlled by concentration of the H plus ion via what is the reaction? Reaction is the H2S reversible 2H plus SO2 negative. Okay. Now start the proper calculation. So number one, the overall dissociation, constant for H2S is a H2S is a dissociation constant for the H2S given Ka is equal to Ka1 multiply Ka2. Okay. Now in this question, value is given. Then we will put the values. That is the 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 7 into 1.0 10 to the power minus 19. After the calculation, we will get 1.0 into 10 to the power minus 26 because of the multiplying both values are the minus and add the powers 26. Okay. Now in the step number 2, calculation of the sulfide ion concentration. We can calculate the sulfide ion concentration by the Ka concentration of the hydrogen sulfide divided by the concentration of the H plus ion. Okay. 2 according to the our equation 2. 2 is the power. So now step number 3. For separation set, now we will set a ready a set for the separation. For the separation set of this sulfide ion such that the more soluble sulfide. Okay, soluble sulfide, more soluble sulfide that is the more soluble, that is the Ksp value is high. The Ksp value of the high is the M3 and M4, right? So do not precipitate. Do not, as per the our precipitation rule, do not precipitate. Do not give the precipitate while M1 and M2 do it. According to the already you know that according to the solubility rules, when the Ksp value is high, okay, Ksp value is high, so do not precipitate it. That means the Ksp low values gives the precipitation or precipitate. Okay. Now step number 4. In the step number 4, we will calculate the we will write the Ksp is equal to concentration M2 plus concentration of sulfide for the complete complete precipitation. Complete precipitation of M1 by M2. They are asking. Okay. Now we can write here as per our above concept concentration of the M2 plus less than 10 to the power minus M. It is a given in our question. Okay. Now the step number this allow due to this reason the concentration of the M2 plus ion is less than 10 to the power minus 6 M. So that means this allow determining the specific determining the specific concentration of the H plus ion and range required to keep the product M3 by 4 and 2 sulfide ion. It will be the less Ksp value while the product and our product value is greater than M1 by 2 concentration is a sulfide greater than the high Ksp. This concentration is greater than the Ksp value and this concentration is less than their Ksp value. Okay. So now it is our answer. Thank you.